Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the series of Daily Dose Pharma Interview Preparation, Quality Assurance Interview Questions. So, coming to the first question of today's series. So, what is expiry date and retest date? So, those who don't know about it, expiry date, the date placed on the container or the labels of API, designating the time during which the API is expected to remain within the established shelf life if it is stored under the conditions which are mentioned, after which it should not be used. So expiry date means it is the time period after which the drug, I mean API or any product cannot be used. What is retest date? So here you can see the date when a material should be re-examined to ensure that it is still suitable for use, the period of time during which drug substance expected to remain within its specifications and therefore can be used in the manufacturing of the drug product. Suppose there is an API in the storeroom in the industry, then there will be a retest date until which the product can be used. After the date, the product need to be tested again in order to ensure that it is uh, it conforms to the specifications. If not, it cannot be used. So what is deviation and and types of deviation? So deviation means it is a departure from the approved instructions or established standards. Generally two types of deviation are there. So controlled or planned deviation, any deviation from documented procedure. So, my dear friends, two types of deviation: controlled or planned deviation and uncontrolled deviation. In controlled deviation, so the deviation is generally made in order to manage the unavoidable situation or improving the performance of the operation without affecting the quality and yield of a drug substance and safety of the operations, shall be termed as controlled deviation. So, coming to the unplanned or uncontrolled deviation, any deviation which occurred in an unplanned, so we don't know that the deviation is going to occur or uncontrolled manner, such as system failure or equipment breakdown or manual error, shall be termed as uncontrolled or unplanned deviation. So coming to the next question, what is contamination and cross contamination? So contamination means, so the it is an undesired event of impurities or a chemical, which may be chemical or microbial or foreign matter, into or onto the raw material, intermediate or API during production, sampling, packaging or repacking, storage or transport. So cross contamination means contamination of a material of a product with another material or product. So this contamination and cross contamination terms are very important. Please have a look at them. This can also applies to the finished products also. Cross contamination may occur or contamination may occur to the product, I mean API or excipients. So what is the next question is, what is difference between theoretical and expected yield? My dear friends, theoretical yield means the quantity which that would be produced at any appropriate phase of production based on the quantity of material used in the absence of any loss or error in actual production. And coming to the next question, what is expected yield? The quantity of material or the theoretical yield anticipated at any percent of theoretical yield anticipated at any appropriate phase of production based on previous laboratory or pilot scale or manufacturing data. So based on past experience in the laboratory or pilot scale or manufacturing data, this is expected yield. So before that, my dear friends, if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. So the next question is, what is out of specification? These are the results which are generated during testing that do not comply with the relevant specification or the standards or with the defined acceptance criteria. Out of specification means they are not matching with the specification or meeting the standards that have set forward. So what is kappa? Kappa means corrective action and preventive action. This is one of the word that I remember, I don't forget. So what is corrective action? The action which is taken to eliminate the causes of an existing defect or other undesirable situation to prevent reoccurrence. And preventive action, the actions taken to eliminate the cause of potential non-conformity. I mean, preventive action means in the beginning only we are taking the preventive measures in order to avoid any unwanted defects or undesirable situation to prevent their occurrence. So to prevent the unavoidable situations, we use preventive actions. Corrective actions are done once we to eliminate the existing non-conformity or defects. So these are the two questions, and guys, I hope you are learning new things every day. And don't forget to follow us daily, so that we are going to provide more important questions daily. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button.